ngala te ngombadi won men wije yela para solte wala ni buya en kuwati wala alo di matel ye wala la para solte jo ka ni la para solte par ngaje ñom misil med ay di matel la di mbadi be bul solte ne mo fa ko je wala ne be bulo ni mo ne dal man ko ko ne wala ko da ko wala ya ko jana ala ta ko la wala kaddi bin tadi hamono ñola ko le mbala fan na place ban daraja haje ni mbatel bele pala so yeta imba ibe jahali ma be bele ni mbar balu ndira nyaade di ñol bi ta karako di mbar be suwo kono di ñol bi ta karam moto e mod bele pala so tap be jahali ndara pala so teje ban tabe dama do ni fi an ko le ko kaddi ni ñaade mele ka na pala sikilin ta janni ala teb dama no ngi mi merci la ni adu fesu yo patata la buka feso na di mayare na sokore ni sasa ta de jara do la fete fontol saya jibeba ni firo muka keno patata le saya ngar fere ken na man kera no ni fata al sembade saying that life has come very difficult for her. Basically, since they removed her from the place she was selling her items, so she has no other place. This woman is facing challenges since this operation started. Life has not become easy. She was selling her property. They have removed her from that end, and she's finding it very difficult to sustain her family and her students. Her facial reaction will tell me that she's facing challenges since this operation started. So it is not easy for her and her family and the children, because she even said yesterday the children asked for lunch, but what she told them is that before you ask for lunch, what about fish money? I don't think we have fish money. It's really difficult. It's really challenging.
Nga fofula ka wala se nyini ka wala yana okay ongandi da lo oti ko do wonde buyade nokko ala oti ko do andi gira oti ko na kiri ali ga ko do andi so stay do di bama hada ko metu berne jannude ongi
kon no be fawni remon no kon no be
ha ay barno be hali so oti non dirti do sera na tinder ndara jom menenge joma galene me wa famo dirgol fi me nat neto me wona nder to ay be fermi boutique o ni oti nokko ala ko ya so ay ni me ngala gollude taw no ko be do ame wallude at least be bonni do be holla men dula ko me wona oti wata jodare ni ay oti ko jen so no do wadde piji bus ni sa yalti acci fami ma on bawo dado awa de piji bus noton senon himbe holorma andu nga wata jodo ni ci boutique mali bama o metti berna jano so men faala be wallu men be holla men dula asido li bama men naba boutique ji at least madum be yaltina men golle go ko me wada fi o te bana wurira ay wata woni ren okay njara bobu mo
What I'm saying is, I was behind. So I was behind.
They have ideas. Of course.
The guys listen.
We said, who is the boss?
Who is great?
Who is next to him?
Next to him?
Yes.
They are next to him.
Exactly. And they said he's the only one that's possible. And then you are the one next to him.
No, the thing is,
Caesar, what talk to him? You want this out. And we told him. So that's all you have to do.
you told us that
Yes, it's a move. Where is occupying this thing?
they need to find me and I will give them the better position. Because I was with them. But he will be done soon. He will be done soon.
Yes. That's why I'm not really there.
Yeah, he will be done soon. I'm sure he will be done soon.
Just tell him that you came by. So
Yeah, we will remove it.
thank you. All right.
You're welcome.
What this man was trying to say is he's all the way from Guinea and came here to hustle, but his shop is also has been demolished, and things are not easy with him since his shop has been asked to close. So this is what he was trying to explain. This young man here is also arrested. He also refused to comply with what he was told. So he has been arrested by the task force. This is his shop. This is his shop.